Hello guys, this is how to get unbanned from Grindr. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So your account might have been banned for a number of reasons. One could be that it was reported. The other reason it could be because of suspicious behavior. Another could be it was flagged for spamming. Um, so what you could do, you could appeal the the ban. Um, Sometimes they do reverse the ban once you appeal. Um, but also, it could be the case that Grindr has limited your IP address from its server. So we're gonna do the following things. So what we're gonna go ahead and do first is we're gonna switch Wi-Fi networks. So you going to your network control center. Um, and you're going to switch to a different Wi-Fi network. If you don't have another Wi-Fi network to connect to, you can go ahead and switch to mobile data instead. If that option does not work, we can go ahead and download a VPN. So you're going to head over to your App Store, Play Store, or wherever you get your apps, and you're going to type in VPN. Um, and you're going to search for the most suitable VPN for you that is compatible with your device. So basically, the VPN will hide your IP address. Um, like I said, Grindr could have limited the access that your IP address has to their server. And then once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and update the Grindr app. Let's go ahead and click on update right there. And just make sure that you have the latest version of that app. Once the update is complete, you're gonna go ahead and open up your Grindr app and sign in. And it is that quick and it is that easy to get unbanned from Grindr. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.